sagittal plane, frontal plane, transverse plane, superior, inferior, proximal, distal, medial, lateral, anterior, posterior, extension, flexion, 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 hyperextension, extension, flexion, flexion, hyperextension, extension, flexion, hyperextension, plantar flexion, dorsiflexion, abduction, adduction, abduction, adduction, radial, ulnar, eversion, inversion, lateral flexion to the right, lateral flexion to the left, elevation, depression, pronation, supination, rotation, supination, pronation, rotation.